In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable autoplay for your videos on Wistia. This is a great way to improve user experience on your website, giving visitors the chance to settle onto your page before the video starts playing. Whether you're looking to make your content more interactive or simply prevent any abrupt sounds from startling your viewers, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make this adjustment. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Wistia account. Once you've successfully logged in, head to the video that you want to edit. It's important to ensure that you're in the right account and have the necessary permissions to make changes. If there are multiple projects or videos, use the search feature or navigate through your video library to quickly locate the video you're targeting for tweaks today. Once you've opened your chosen video, you'll notice a range of options available to you. What we're going to do next is customize this video. Locate the Customize option, which will help us tailor the settings to fit our specific needs. Click on it, and you should now see a panel with various options for adjusting your video's presentation. Among these options, look for the Controls tab, which is the focus area for our task. This tab provides several different settings that allow you to modify how users interact with your video. As you open it, pay attention to the settings under Start and End Behavior. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments to the autoplay function. As you peruse these settings, you'll encounter the Autoplay option. If it's checked, this means that your video is currently set to play automatically every time someone visits the page where your video is embedded. To change this, simply uncheck the box beside Autoplay. This change is crucial for ensuring that your video doesn't start playing without any interaction from your viewers. Once you've unchecked the autoplay option, we're almost done. It's essential to save your changes. There's usually a Save button clearly visible in the Settings or Customization panel, so go ahead and click it. This will ensure all the adjustments we've made today, particularly unchecking that autoplay option, are locked in. And there you have it. A nice, seamless way to keep control in the hands of your audience, allowing them to start the video when they're ready. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Disabling the autoplay option can significantly improve viewer engagement and, potentially, the overall user experience on your website. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions or need additional help with Wistia, be sure to check out our other videos or reach out for support.